Hi guys, I haven't made a video in a while because I've been on vacation and because I've just been making stuff that I've already made. I haven't made anything new in a while in my solar oven. But today's video is going to be really short. I just wanted to show you that you don't need to rely on the ambient temperature. I also wanted to kind of illustrate how to do your baking and things in the fall and winter months as we're now it's now November, so I'll be maybe just making these little short videos showing you how to tweak things for the fall and winter sunlight. I have to say that on my back porch, my back porch is now only getting sunlight from the hours between 2 and 5, so really short window of time. I'm probably gonna have to start baking things on my front lawn just because that faces east where the sun comes up, and that way I can capture those early morning sun rays that don't hit my back porch until 2. Anyways, so this video though, we just got back from vacation and all I had left were we had a few leftovers from eating out, like we had a chicken leg and some taco chicken soup that I drained all the liquid off. And let's see, I had 8 eggs left and like a fourth of a block of cheese and 3 pieces of bologna that I'm just trying to like get rid of because I'm going grocery shopping tomorrow. But I wanted to make something quick and easy that we could eat in the meantime. So I literally stuck all of those things in a food processor and blended it up and poured it into a cracker crust that I made. And you can see the temperature didn't even break 70 outside, but that's fine because there was no precipitation and there was a decent amount of sun. I put my quiche in around 2:30 and already by like 5 o'clock my back porch was in shadow. So I had to bring it in. The quiche was done. It was a little mushy in the middle, but it was still done. If we had to, like if the electricity was out, we could have eaten it. But you know how I like to have things browned. So I did finish it off in the oven at 350 for 8 minutes just to get it brown a little bit. But this is what it looked like. And I didn't walk you through all the steps on making a quiche because I've already done that. So just go back to the playlist and find if you need to see how to make a quiche. But anyways, the point of this video is just to show you that there's dwindling amount of sunlight and the ambient temperature is falling, but you can still bake in your solar oven. My next videos, I will probably have to transfer my whole operation to the front lawn. So stay tuned for those because it should be interesting and I'm sure I'll get a lot of really interesting looks from my neighbors. So I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.